It's time to fire this thing up.
Interested in learning all there is to know about boating? Subscribe to ShipShape TV, America's #1 boating improvement show. Join host John Graviscus as he uses his vast boating experience to educate viewers on how to accessorize, improve, and repair their boats while working alongside experts and leaders in the marine industry.
Shoot, you know the drill by now. You see, we need to work out a little trade-off. We've got to get all of you to spend the next 30 minutes with us, as we're here with the boat builders. And then in exchange, we're going to be letting you in on a whole lot more ways to make your boat ship-shape.
From regular maintenance and cleaning to fiberglass and engine repairs, product and boat reviews, factory tours, and more, ShipShape TV invites you to climb aboard and improve your boating experience. With content uploaded weekly, don't miss out on the latest boating know-how and subscribe now.